Today, I'll walk you through how to set up Cloudflare Warp VPN with zero trust in 3 easy steps, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to secure your internet connection, so you can browse safely on any network. Let's dive right in. First, we need to access the Cloudflare website. Open your web browser and type in Cloudflare.com. This is your gateway to a world of enhanced security. Once you're on the Cloudflare homepage, look for the Login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on that to proceed. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The layout may vary based on updates or your account settings. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the Zero Trust section. This is where the magic happens. Click on the Zero Trust option in your dashboard. This will take you to the area where you can manage your security settings. Next, we want to access Team and Resources. Click on this option to explore the various tools available to you. It's like opening a toolbox filled with security features. From there, select Devices. This section allows you to manage your devices that will be using the Cloudflare Warp VPN. Think of it as setting up a security perimeter around your digital assets. Now click on Management. Here, you can oversee the policies and settings for your devices. It's crucial for ensuring your security measures are in place. After that, click on Manage. This is where you'll create and modify your security policies, a bit like customizing your own security system. Next, we'll create a new policy. Click on Create New Policy to start the process. This is essential for defining how your devices will interact with the network. Under the Include section, select Emails. This ensures that only authorized users can access your network. Think of it as a guest list for a party. Now choose the email address you will use to sign in. This should be the one associated with your Cloudflare account. It's like your personal key to the security system. Once you've selected your email, open the Login Methods tab and select Cloudflare as your method. This step is crucial for ensuring a secure login process. Next, add a policy name. This helps you identify the policy later. Think of it as naming a file on your computer for easy access. After naming your policy, click on Save Policy to finalize your settings. This step is like locking the door after you've set up your security system. Now open the Cloudflare One client. This is the application that will connect your device to the Zero Trust network. It's your direct line to enhanced security. In the Cloudflare One client, select Zero Trust Security. Enter your Zero Trust team name and sign in using the email address you previously set up. This is your access point to the secure network. Finally, approve any browser prompts to open the Cloudflare One client. Turn the connection switch on if it doesn't connect automatically. Once connected, you should see a status indicating connected. Congratulations! Your Windows laptop is now enrolled in Cloudflare Zero Trust, and its internet traffic can be protected using your organization's security policies. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.